Polly Parrot
gets coronavirus.
Peppa and her family are visiting
Granny Pig
and Grandpa Pig.
Granny Pig! Grandpa Pig! Donkey Egg! Papa Egg!
I thought we were going to have a good day when we won the lottery, but when you showed up, I knew that we would not. Well, I never.
We have a new pet. Can you guess what it is?
Dinosaur?
Tell me, do you even have a brain? Dorky McDork Dork.
Come and see.
Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig have a pet.
That will be abused.
Peppa, George,
Get out of here, you socially inept hogs.
she's called Polly. Pretty Polly.
Ugly Grandma.
Wow!
I am a clever parrot.
Liar. You're not clever.
Mummy?
Why is Polly Parrot so accurate when it says stuff?
That's what parrots do. I'll show you.
I'm going to give you coronavirus. I didn't ask.
What a sweet little parrot.
Chubby Pig family.
Come on, everyone. Tea time. Peppa, George, come on. There's
All the diseases you can imagine.
Coming, Granny!
Peppa and George love eating,
All the diseases they can imagine.
but today they are in a hurry to get back and play with Polly Parrot.
Finished!
You have some diarrhea on your faces there.
Granny? Please, can we leave the table?
We need to have a moment with.
Polly Parrot?
Are you sure you've completely finished your cake? Off you go then.
Hooray!
You give her coronavirus right now, mister.
George is a little bit shy.
You will pay for pushing me.
Hello? Hello?
Why do they have seizures every day?
Peppa and George are really enjoying.
Having seizures. Time for coronavirus. Time for coronavirus.
George?
How are you even sitting like that? What was that supposed to be?
Peppa and George
Really need paramedics. I'm not ready for the real world.
Peppa is thinking of something else to say to
Polly Parrot.
I'm a noisy parrot.
You are noisy, but you're actually a pig.
Peppa, George,
This is your third seizure today. Are you okay?
Yes, Granny.
Polly is such a sweet parrot.
Yes, Granny.
I'm a clever parrot.
I'm a noisy parrot! I'm a noisy parrot!
Oh, my word!
Ho, 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 ho!
I feel like having a seizure and coronavirus. Someone call the paramedics, I'm having a seizure.
Bye.
No one knows this, but I only run this fast when I have to go to the bathroom.
Oh,
He's forgotten me.
Ben. Oh well.
Time to go look for my third friend this week.
Now on, what shall we do today? Yes, let's make
Coronavirus hat.
abracazat a pretty hat. Oh, it's not very pretty. And it's too big. Bye-bye, silly hats.
My worst nightmare.
Hi, Ben. I'm practicing my magic. Do you want to see?
Why didn't you ask for permission to look like a zombie with makeup on?
Stand very still. I'll make you
Have coronavirus again.
abracazat magic Ben a hat. Oh.
This is my first accomplishment ever.
Ben, are you in there? Oh.
I meant to turn you into coronavirus, not a hat that's as fat as Daddy Pig from Peppa Pig World.
Gosh, what a big hat.
Way to pay attention to what's not important. I turned my victim into a hat. This is what I get for raising such a dumb clod. How rude of you. I'll make sure to report you to the magical FBI. They're definitely not as dangerous as Peppa Pig and her family.
I tried waving it right, but this wand is no good.
Classic worst nightmare, blaming it on the wand.
Yes, Nanny Plum.
I've a good mind to leave Ben as a hat, just to teach you a lesson.
I hate you so much. You always ruin my life. If you don't fix him, I'll make sure you'll never be happy again.
Oh, very well. Watch and learn.
Hot be gone, you wretched thing. Go away so Ben can live.
What happened?
I was as idiotic as usual, but this heap of ugliness saved you.
Thank you, Nanny Plum.
You're welcome, Ben. Now, Holly.
Tell me, are you the least trustworthy fairy in this dumb, tiny village of ours?
Yes, Nanny. Sorry, Ben. Were you scared?
I'm traumatized. I will never forgive you again. Get out of my face. I was never in your face to begin with. I didn't mean it literally. Goodbye forever.
Bye, Ben.
Dee-dee-da-dum-dee-dum-dee-doo. Dee-dee-da-dum-dee-dum-dee-doo.
I hope no one heard my terrible singing.
Princess Holly, what have you forgotten?
Oh.
Your wand.
What a naughty fairy you are. Well, what a terrible singer you are. You sounded like a cat being strangled.
You haven't lost it, have you?
It's my wand. What I do with it does not concern you. Maybe if I steal this wand, I would ruin someone's life, which would make me happy. Oh no, I'm going to be grounded until I'm 18.
It's gone.
Hi, Holly.
Piece of ugliness.
What's wrong?
I've lost my wand.
I'm going to be grounded until I'm 18.
Maybe that's a good thing.
It's not funny. I'm never going to find my wand and I'll be sad forever.